Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming the exact Raid Canister AOPG model and collecting tools. This avoids wasted effort later. Once done, disconnect mains power and verify 0 volts with a multimeter for safety. Next, remove the outer panel using the correct hex key while keeping fasteners grouped. You should wear gloves to prevent contamination of seals and internals. Finally, note serial numbers and take a quick photo for reference before proceeding. This saves time if parts need ordering. You now release internal pressure slowly through the bleed valve, open just 1/4 turn and monitor gauges to avoid shock. Once pressures equalize, unplug the control harness and label each connector with numbers to preserve wiring order. Remove the canister mounting bolts and lift straight up to avoid catching seals. Inspect seals, bearings, and the PCB closely for corrosion or particulate buildup, because those faults explain most failures. If you find wear, document measurements and clear photos for part selection. You reassemble by installing new seals and using specified lubricant sparingly so you don't attract dust. Make sure the canister seats evenly, then torque mounting bolts to the manufacturer's spec. Reconnect the harness by matching labels, restore power, and initiate the calibration cycle while logging baseline sensor readings. Observe for abnormal noise or drift for at least 1 full cycle. Troubleshooting tip: if pressure or readings are unstable, recheck seal seating and harness continuity first. Those 2 causes account for.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.